Okay, so that was the sign, that was the rule of Tajweed which we were learning in this lesson. I'm just repeating that again. Okay, and then we are going to the next lesson. So the lesson we were finished, that was about Idgham. So the rule of Idgham was that whenever any Yarmalun letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween sign, so then we do idgham. We merge noon sakin or tanween into Yarmalun letters. Okay, we also learned that how many Yarmalun letters we have. So there are six Yarmalun letters we have, which were Ya, Ra, Meme, Lam, Waw, Noon. So these were the Yarmalun letters. Whenever any one of them comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, so we merge. In the end, I also gave you one tip, and that was that whenever we have two connecting signs come side by side, where the first letter has sukun and the second letter comes with shad sign, so then we skip sukun sign letter. Okay, we only skip when we have sukoon first and shad second. Okay, I told you that whenever if we have shad first or sukoon second, so then we don't skip. If we have both letters with shad, then also we don't skip. If we have both letters with sukoon, then also we don't skip. We only skip when the first letter comes with sukoon and the second letter comes with shad. Got it?
Got it.
Now let's go and move to the lesson number 27, and it is about Izhar and Ikhfa. So these are two another rules for Noon Sakin and Tanween. Okay, if you remember that in the beginning I told you that there are four rules for Noon Sakin and Tanween sign. Number one was Idgham, which we just completed. Number two is Izhar. Number three Ikhfa, and number four Iqlab. Iqlab will be on lesson number 28. So why we are learning two rules in the same lesson? Because they both are inverse to each other. Like they both are vice versa. Like if anywhere after Noon Sakin on Tanween we have to apply Izhar, so the Ikhfa cannot be applied there. Similarly, if we have to apply Ikhfa, so then the Izhar cannot be applied there. Got it?
Got it.
So now let's try to understand the definition of Izhar first. Okay, so the Izhar in English we call it saying clearly. What we call?
Saying clearly.
Yes, that's mean whenever we have Noon Sakin or Tanween, and after that if we have any Izhar letter, so then we say clearly. And the vice versa is Ikhfa, means that whenever we have the Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, so then we will hide our voice in our nose. That's mean we do Gunna. So in Izhar, we don't do Gunna. In Ikhfa, we do Gunna. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, so that's mean you just need to remember the letters of Izhar and the letters of Ikhfa to apply. So if you remember that which are the letters of Izhar, so then you can easily read clearly without Gunna. And if you remember the letters of Ikhfa, so then also you can read easily with doing Gunna. So the Izhar means saying clearly, and again there are six letters which we will call throat letters. So in the beginning of your qaida, I told you that we have six letters which we will call throat letters. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So those six letters we always pronounce from our throat, and those are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Six throttle letters. Are you looking at the screen?
Yes.
So there are six throttle letters. and those are Hamza, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, and Ghain, Kha. So if you notice that these all letters we are pronounced from our throat. Okay, so whenever any of them, any one of them comes after Nun Sakin, means when we have Nun with Sukun. So if any one of them comes after Nun Sakin or any Tanween sign, so then what we do?
Pronounce it.
No, then we do Izhar, means we read without Gunna. Do you understand? So let's see the example. See here. In this word, is there any Nun Sakin or Tanween sign?
Yes.
Which one? Nun Sakin or Tanween? Which one is there?
Or actually, none. 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 None.
Noon. There is a Noon Sakin, and after that we have Ain, and Ain is one of the throttle letter. So what we do? We do Gunna here or not?
No.
No. Why? Because we have to do Izhar here. Izhar means saying clearly. So here we don't do Gunna. Remember Gunna? Gunna means that the nasal sound. That's mean to hide your voice in your nose. So we don't hide our voice in our nose here. We don't read like we don't read like that. We read clearly like an, ta. Do you understand?
Yes.
Similarly, let's go for the next word. See, again we have a nun sakin, and after the nun sakin we have kha. And kha is one of the throat letter hamza ha, ain ha, ghain kha. So again we do izhar here. That's mean we don't do gunna. We don't read like min. We read clearly without gunna means min khawfin. Do you understand?
Uh, yeah.
Okay, so that's mean we have learned about izhar. So inshallah ta'ala about the ikhfa we will learn in the next class. On the next class, inshallah ta'ala we will start this lesson as well after finishing izhar and ikhfa. Got it?
Got it.